If you are a DIY girly looking to make some luxurious little holiday gifts for your friends and family, then stay tuned because today I'm going to show you how to make the cutest and the best little bath salts as gifts this year. Okay, so let's get into these ingredients. The very first one is Epsom salt. And this ingredient helps to soothe sore muscles and helps relax the body. Next, we're going to go and have some colloidal oatmeal, and this is to calm irritated skin and provide gentle moisturization. We'll have oatmeal to exfoliate and soften the skin. Sweet almond oil, we're not using very much, but some sweet almond oil to hydrate and nourish the skin. And then some Polysorbate 80 to ensure oils mix into water without leaving a greasy residue. I want mine to look kind of like a peppermint in the bottle, so I'm using some red mica powder and then some vanilla and peppermint essential oil. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is in our bowl here is our Epsom salt. And so we're going to start with our Epsom salt here, and then in here we're going to add our colloidal oatmeal. And you can either use your hands or use a whisk or a spatula to mix it together. So I'm just going to mix it like this. Make sure that if there's like big chunks that you get the big chunks out. Yeah. Okay, so in a second container, this is just a regular bowl that I have. We're gonna add in our oil. So we're gonna add in our almond oil. We're gonna add the Polysorbate 80. We're going to add also our fragrances. Okay, now let's mix it a little bit. And we're gonna, oh, that smells so good, that peppermint. And we're going to pour it into here. So we've poured it in, and you can use your gloved hands again or a spatula to mix it all together. I'm going to use my spatula. It smells so good. Okay, so for even more soothing on our skin, we're going to add our oatmeal now. And mix. Because I wanted mine to look like a peppermint, I need to add some mica powder to some of it. So I have separated my mixture into two separate bowls. And I have my red mica powder that I'm going to add to this one. And mix. It's so cute. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more red. Because I want it to be more red than pink. cute. Okay, so now we can now put it in our containers. And I found this cute, oops. I found this cute little jar, so I'm gonna use this one. Now we have our little candy cane peppermint vanilla bath salts. The cutest little Christmas gift to give to our loved ones, our friends, and all of our family members. And all they have to do is just take a tablespoon or two and put it in their hot bath water, or they could even use this as a body scrub. So it's so cute and it smells delicious. I'm sure they would love it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this DIY, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and then hit that notification bell so that you never miss out on another video. And then also join my Patreon community where you can get the full recipe, but also join in for live classes and meetups and monthly gift boxes as well. So until next time, happy crafting.